So here's how you can make your day a lot easier for yourself. Now, often we go through the whole entire day and we're like, okay, I'm gonna write a to-do list, gonna go this, and this. And I just want to share that can be very, very stressful because you've always got an ongoing list, and through your life, you're always gonna have an ongoing to-do list. It's never gonna end. Now, what I found really effective to be able to manage time is to time box things. So, for example, you've got like 7 till 8 morning routine. I'm not one of those get up at 5 a.m. people. I eat my sleep and I have a different body clock. So 7 till 8, you're like, okay, that's going to be my morning. 8 till 9, I'm going to work on my most morning routine. 8 till 9, I'm going to be working on the most important priority. Then I'm going to start work or your business, whatever it is. I'm going to have an hour for lunch. I'm going to do some calls in the evening, whatever you're going to do. Make sure through that day, though, this is really, really important, that you do schedule some rest time, some relaxation. Even if you're working for 45 minutes and then you schedule 15 minutes off. That's trying to keep it simple, because otherwise your brain just gets overwhelmed. And if you're anything like me, who gets a bit hyper sometimes, I just start doing all fun things and getting off track. So I actually have to schedule those in my day. So if you're going to get distracted by something, just schedule it for some time of your day so you can focus on the important things at certain times and have rest and relaxation at other times.